So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best hair products for your 360 waves. Always be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you get any value out of this video. It's always important for me to let y'all know with these kind of videos that the products that I may recommend, it's important to know that it's all trial and error. Just because I'm using these products and they're working for me, it don't mean they may work for you. You may not even like them. Just to give someone some insight on certain products and give them a place to where they can start on how to go about it. That's what I'm here for. Quick wave check, man. Just to update y'all how I'm looking since we got back into it. It is laid pretty nice, looking pretty smooth. The crown looking a lot better. We've been putting in that crown work, as you can see. We looking tough. We looking tough. When it comes to getting into products as a 360 wave beginner, I like to just tell people you need 4 products. Now, not to say you need these products straight out the gate, but along your journey, as you become more experienced, more familiar and comfortable with products, you're going to be using 4 products. That's going to be your moisturizer, your pomade, your oil, and your butter. So in no particular order, that's what I'm going to be showing you here. All the way from the moisturizers to the butters to even the type of shampoos that I use. One of the first products that I recommend, Shea Moisture Curl Enhancer Smoothie, man. This is a moisturizer, and I've been using this moisturizer for years. All of these products that you're gonna see, I've been using them for years, man. Like if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's just me. So I don't really experiment too much. When I find what I like, I just stick with what I like. So these products, man, like I said, they're highly recommended, at least for you to try out. I like good smelling stuff. This smells really good. Not that heavy on your hair. So Curl Enhancer Smoothie, this is a good moisturizer for starters, or if you just want to try something out, this is a good moisturizer. There's also another one that I'm blanking on right now. I think it's the Jamaican Black Castor Oil from Shea Moisture. But their products are really good, man. But this one, like I said, I've been using it for years, and it's gonna give you that good smell and all that, smoothing out your waves, have your hair looking good. Another product from Shea Moisture, man, another one that I recommend. This is a butter. So this is the 100% raw shea butter. Been using this for a while as well, man. This is a lot more heavy though and more thick for your hair. So it's also important to know your hair type, hair porosity, and all that. And again, as I said in the beginning, bro, just because whatever works for me may not work for you. You may try some of these products and not like them. I'm a medium hair texture waver, so I got that nice, smooth, like right in the middle type of hair. So you feel me? Like if you got, my kind of waves and my kind of hair, bro, then you should be alright. But even sometimes that's not gonna be the case. As I am, this is another moisturizer. Now this one, I'm not gonna lie. I like it. As I said, what I like, you may not like. But I've heard a lot of different things about this, a lot of different reviews, based on my recommendation, based on other people's recommendation. I mean, this one really hit and miss from what I hear. Some people say, it works, they like it. Some people don't. Me personally, again, it's a good smelling product. And my results with it for using these products for about a week straight, because I feel like that's how you get the good feel. Um, it's been good to me, man. So I ain't got nothing bad to say about it, but I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This one, like I said, it's a lot of mixed reviews. Some people say it's great, they love it. Other people don't, because also a lot of people don't really like heavily scented stuff. Nice, you know what I'm saying? So I feel all that. But I like good smelling stuff, and I want my hair to smell good and all that good stuff. So anything that really smells good on top of like working good, I think it's always gonna be a plus for me. But as I am moisturized, I think this is a good one that you gotta give a try. But it is noted that this one is more on the expensive side. The first 2 Shea Moisture products, those are more on a little cheaper side. So yeah, that's also important to know too. When it comes to these products, man, stuff can get a little pricey. But I got y'all covered from the budget stuff to the high end stuff. You know what I'm saying? You good. Stay here, lock in on this channel. Always be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you want to keep learning. Right here, this Superior Wave Butter, yo. If you like coconut smell, like I don't know what scent y'all is into, but like the coconut smell, I've only met one person that don't like the smell of coconut, which I thought that was weird. But coconut to me smells good, and like pretty much everything has coconut in it, coconut oil. But this Superior Wave Butter, bro, this is nice, super light, gonna give your hair that nice, good shine. No product buildup. It's just like it's so smooth. And I just found this on Amazon a couple years back, and I was just as I said, experimenting, trying stuff, and dog, like I really love this product. This product is tough. But this one right here, I use this a lot. This is when I do like a quick little morning method if I'm trying to, head out something smooth and I do nothing crazy. Throw a little dab of this in. So this one right here, highly recommended, and also never really heard bad reviews on this. So this one's a must try. Do a lot of work with the Wave Essentials, man. So I highly recommend a lot of their products. This right here is a pomade. This is the Strawberry Shortcake Pomade. This pomade is very similar to this butter as far as the consistency. Like it's very light, smells good, but it is amazing for your hair. So if you love the smell of strawberries, this is good for you. I will leave a link down in the descriptions to all the products, the oil from the Wave Essentials as well. So again, your moisturizers, oils, pomades, butters. This is your oil and the oil that I would recommend, man. I recommend all the Wave Essentials products. I ain't gonna lie, like they never disappointed, bro. And that's just facts. It ain't because they send me products, just keeping it a buck. I don't do fake reviews and nothing like that. So I'm gonna just put a link into the description for all this stuff. It's just a curl enhancer. So that's some nice good oil that's light. It's gonna give you that shine. All the good stuff that you want for your waves is what this oil is gonna give you. So even for shampoos, I really don't use liquid shampoos anymore. I really use shampoo bars. Whatever you got for starters or for now is good. But I like shampoo bars, man. This is also a shampoo. This is a shampoo bar from the Wave Essentials as well. As I said, I have a lot of their products. I recommend a lot of their products. But this is a shampoo bar. I just think shampoo bars are, easier to use. They last longer. And they're just better for your washing styles, if I'm just being honest with you, man. From my experience, they just work better than the liquid shampoo. It's not to say that the liquid shampoo is not good if that's what you got, but again, I recommend shampoo bars, bro. This is the Strawberry Shortcake Shampoo Bar. So, when we hit that combo with the Strawberry Shortcake Pomade and then the shampoo bar, man, you know what I'm saying? Like, it go crazy. Learning your products is also a part of learning, what mix well together. Like, you ain't here like a chemist pretty much, putting it together, making it work. The shampoo bar from the Wave Essentials right here. This is that lavender. And they just smooth. We didn't even bust this one open yet, but they just smooth, man. And they all smell good. As I said, they last long. And they're amazing for your hair. All natural, by the way. All natural. Everything I'm showing y'all. With the exception of maybe that as I am. But all natural products is what I recommend, because I know a lot of people, that's what they be wanting. They be wanting that all natural stuff, which you should be doing when it comes to trying to have your nice waves. They're all natural. And this is my personal lineup. Like, from the pomades to the butters to the shampoos, this is what I'm using on the regular. When you see my waves, when I'm showing you what my waves look like as I'm getting heavily back into it, these are the products that I'm using. So again, just try it out. I'm a medium hair texture waver. So if you're a medium hair texture waver or have similar hair to mine, you know what I'm saying, don't be afraid to give it a try. And when working with products, I say give it about, a week or so to give a good judgment on it, to really see the results of what the product is producing. Before you go ahead and scratch it off. If you have any questions or if I'm missing anything, forgive me, but leave it all down below in the comments, man. Leave it all down below in the comments, and I'll definitely get back to you. And we're gonna keep running it up. Always be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you got any value out of this video. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.